Yeah, day up on the farm and all, see me. Tired, you see me. But I never disciplined. My uncle just clean up the section, you see me. That's why I have jelly tree there and down this one, you see me. Me just clean up down on the front yard, you see me. Cause down this the tan away. I'm thirsty, you see me. Just pick one jelly and chop it and off at the tree. You never can see bamboo there, so. You see me. Yeah, do it same way. Hope I look nice still. So my great grandparents engraved there. You see me? Just them live kinda never know them so good still, you know, but still have them in our heart, you know. Yeah. They just enjoy it same way. It be a nice day. On the sky. Sky nice, me say man. Woo! Blue. Go from blue. Can get them blue the boy for buy a shop? No time. So our next jelly tree there. Down there, yeah, that's a palm tree, that's a chop down. You see me, that jelly tree there, nice jelly. It come like say, when you eat a coconut, you not even have to ox, you just drop out the shell. You see me, when you ox out your shell and thing, like when you grate it, yeah man. But nice, you know, one time I saw, come there, I saw, a beer can used to there, so. Ask my sister, you see me, but she can't cool too. You see me, I down there, so. In front I agree with them, there's a beer pop cherish for the donkey people tree there. Then call the king of the forest, you see me? You have some red, yeah, you don't even can see them so good, you know, some red flowers, they bloom, you know. Donkey people tree, we call it but king of the forest, Jamaica tree, you know. Yeah, man, if you know about the culture, you know. And the roots, you know your roots like they're in the ground. That's how I think go, you see me? And more life, enough respect still, you see me? Subscribe and like, big up on yourself. Classic TV, treat. See it there? Thirsty, me thirsty. What we say? Thirsty, we thirsty. Pocket no fi thirsty. Money we want for the area, we are working. Big up on yourself, you know. Trade.